Well, these are called cicadas, the world's loudest insects. They spend most of their lives underground as nymphs, feeding on tree roots for 13 to 17 years. Once above ground, they shed their exoskeletons, develop wings, before emerging in large numbers, and produce their characteristic sound to attract mates. Despite their noisy presence, cicadas are harmless. They don't bite or sting. After mating, they lay eggs in tree branches and then die, leaving the next generation to continue the cycle. Their offspring will now burrow underground, disappearing for years, until one day they rise again, filling the world with their